Hey there, this is Ben over at the Blue Ox Village. I'm the Lapidary instructor, and today we're going to take this flame agate from Mexico, a slab of this, and turn it into this. So the first steps here are basically to trim down my piece. I cut this slab here, and we're going to trim it down, get it into our general shape that we're going to need to start grinding. So I've already been grinding on this for a bit, and you can see I'm getting it into the shape of the blade. Still got some work to do here. Some big saw marks to still remove, but won't be too much longer here before we're getting our exact shape and can move on to the next wheel. So this first wheel here that we're using for grinding, I believe is 150 grit, diamond grit embedded into the wheel. And from here we move to, I believe, a 250. So hey guys, just a reminder, give us a subscribe here on our channel here at Blue Ox. Lots of cool videos are on their way. And don't forget, we're offering public workshops and all the different things that we do here at Blue Ox. We got lapidary, stained glass, we got ceramics, we got blacksmithing, woodworking, lathe turning, and it's all for the public. Give us a call. You can do it while you're visiting. We got one-day workshops and longer classes. We're also doing gift certificates. So what an amazing gift to give to your loved ones. So here I've already gone through about 3 wheels. I'm on the 4th wheel, starting on the 4th wheel. Our shape is there. All edges are removed. And we're getting close to our final finished stone. For those of you who aren't familiar with the Blue Ox, we're located in Eureka, California. A beautiful area to visit where the redwoods meet the coast. So if you're trying to plan out your next vacation, come visit the redwoods and make sure you take a tour at the Blue Ox and possibly one of the workshops. And now here we are on the polishing wheel, and we're just a few minutes from having our stone finished here. It came out beautiful. So now we got our stone polished. I'm going to be working on, how to create a proper hilt and handle with this. I got some ideas with these gold things. So I decided that I'm just going to go with a wire wrap on this, make the whole hilt out of wire. So I'm a little further along here and quite pleased with how it's turning out. I'm going to just keep going with the wire. So here it is. This is our finished sword. Pretty pleased with how it came out, I gotta say. This was inspired by my son Zev. He kept saying, "Hey Dad, I want you to make a sword, I want you to make a sword." We've been watching crafting videos on how to make mini swords, and he just kept requesting that I do one out of stone, and I think this is going to be the first of many. Going to definitely experiment with different kinds of hilts. Quite pleased with how it came out overall. Thanks again for watching. Give us a subscribe here at the Blue Ox channel, and we'll be sure to be getting you some more cool videos real soon.